Welcome to the channel. My name is Mike, aka ultronfpv, and I'm the international rep of gemfan. Now let's go to what not to do and what to try to avoid when you're trying to get a sponsorship. Don't spam the companies on the chats. Don't tell them, hey, can you sponsor me? Hey, you sponsor me. Hey, I think I can be good. Sponsor me. Hey. Like that kind of things are not going to be useful because companies are not going to be keen to read your chats because you're always just saying, hey, sponsor me, hey. That is annoying. So don't do that. Don't spam the chats of the companies. You can send them posts and tell them, look, this is what I do, this is who I am, I've been playing all this time, and this is an example of what I can do. Then a few days later, you can try again with some more footage and like next week. That kind of stuff is completely fine, but don't spam the companies. Okay, don't use tags at random. Make sure if you're tagging the company, it's because the company products are in that video or in that post that you're posting. Don't tag Nike if you're posting a photo of your Nikon camera. Don't do that. It's irrelevant for the brand. It's not gonna watch it. Also, for a company to share a post or a story from a pilot, it's better if you share posts with only products from that company. Don't put Nike and Adidas because Nike's social media team is not gonna share that photo because Adidas is there too. So they'd rather leave that aside and go for another one with only their brand. So make sure to keep companies apart from each other when it comes to the same kind of products. Like shoes, don't post two shoes companies on the same story because none of them are gonna share it. Okay, also don't buy bots. People think that if you get hundreds of thousands of followers, you're gonna get paid. That's not how it works. It works about engagement, and keep in mind that bots are empty accounts that are not gonna engage with your content. So, and as I mentioned before, we can track that. So it would be useless for you to have 100,000 followers if your photos only get 10 likes. Like, we will know. It's pretty obvious sometimes. Also keep in mind that the comments can be bought from bots too. And it's also noticeable because all the comments are keep it up or just emojis or very generic comments. So we can track them too by likes. But also you have to buy comments because the bots are just gonna like, not comments. So now you have to buy comments. Which means that every single time that you post something, you need to pay for likes and you need to pay for comments. And the more bots you buy, the more comments and likes you need to buy. And again, serious companies with a serious marketing team, we can track that and we can definitely tell when you have bots on your account. So it's not really useful. People think it's useful, it's really not so useful. Okay, and the last one, and this is one of the most important ones. Don't push for answers all the time. Like, I know you get anxious and I know you want an answer from a company, like a definite answer. But keep in mind that, again, we have hundreds of applications every single week. So it is very challenging because we cannot go through all of them all the time or as fast as we would like to. So keep in mind, we have to make an analysis of your like flying profile, like many different things. So it takes time to be able to sponsor someone the right way. It takes time. So be patient. Companies will reply to you as soon as they deal with all of the requests that they have prior. So that's it. And if you have any more questions, I would like to read them on the comment section below. It would be really good if you have some input or things that you would like to know. So thank you very much for watching and see you soon.